What's in your pocket might just be the key to a digital investigation. Mobile devices store more data than ever before, and for forensic examiners, they present both opportunities and major challenges. Today, we're diving into Chapter 8, Mobile Device Forensics from the Guide to Computer Forensics and Investigations, 6th edition. Before we dig in, tap like, subscribe, and share this video to support digital forensics learners everywhere. Let's start with the basics. Mobile forensics is about recovering, analyzing, and preserving data from smartphones and tablets, whether they run on Android, iOS, or another platform. These devices are packed with personal and corporate data, texts, call logs, GPS locations, photos, emails, and app activity. But unlike desktops, mobile data is volatile, frequently encrypted, and highly proprietary. In mobile device forensics, you'll typically use one of two acquisition methods: logical acquisition, which extracts data from the file system using the operating system's native backup or API services; physical acquisition, which creates a bit-by-bit image of the device's memory, including deleted or hidden data. This often requires specialized hardware and jailbreaking or rooting access. Tools like Cellebrite UFED, Magnet AXIOM, and Oxygen Forensic Detective are industry standards. They allow forensic experts to bypass security, extract data, and generate reports. However, due to constant OS updates, encryption layers, and device variability, you'll need to stay current with tool capabilities and limitations. One of the most complex aspects of mobile forensics is encryption. iPhones with secure enclave chips or Android phones with full disk encryption may be virtually impenetrable without user credentials. That's why it's critical to capture data quickly, sometimes before the device locks or wipes itself. Always use Faraday bags to prevent remote access or wiping once a device is in custody. Another challenge is the diversity of file systems. Android may use YAFFS2 or XT4. iOS uses APFS. Each stores data differently and requires custom parsing. You'll often look for SMS and MMS message databases, contacts and call logs, geolocation data, for example in photos or app caches, chat app histories like WhatsApp or Signal, app usage data and tokens. In your lab, try this. Set up an old Android or iOS device, install messaging and map apps, simulate user behavior, and use trial tools like Autopsy Mobile or ADB to extract and interpret data. Practicing this hands-on will teach you more than reading any manual. Legally, mobile forensics is tricky. Search warrants must be specific. Improper handling can lead to evidence being thrown out. Chain of custody and strict documentation are non-negotiable. To wrap up, mobile devices are dynamic, complex, and essential in forensic investigations. This chapter gives you foundational knowledge and points you toward the tools and skills you need to become proficient in handling smartphones as evidence. If this lecture helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share with a fellow student or cybersecurity professional. And in the comments, tell us, what's one mobile artifact you think investigators overlook the most? Next up, we'll look at investigative report writing and presentation, how to communicate your findings with impact. Until then, stay sharp, stay curious, and always stay forensic.